So, any fun news on the street, mortals? Any hot goss? Maybe a certain demigod's weakness? I hear laughter. Someone knows something. Oh, come on, roll over for me. Tell me. Speak, puppy, speak. Sweetie, I think you lost the rest of the gang there. I know. It's a mystery where they went, right? Real head scratcher. Someone will get a magnifying glass, right? Waiting for something? Maybe. Possibly. Who knows? I just like an audience. Oh, well thank you. I like that. Good opinions over there. You're my new favorite.
Hey, I heard Hercules has been training in the valley over there.
Okay.
He's been working on something. I just want
Something.
to let you know. I heard
Okay.
through the telegraph.
I'm shaking.
I just want to
Quicker
let you
than the
know.
boots.
I want to
Okay.
keep you updated.
I appreciate that.
You're one of those guys.
Yeah. But I'd like a better update.
Okay.
What's that button for? Oh, you love birds. Alright, what was it? Grand Prix of the Cosmos, pomegranate, three-headed dog, how'd you mean? Talk to me about it. Swing dancing. You're just adorable. I can't take it. You're gonna make me turn dick for a blush. I like it. You two are cute. This is adorable. And we dress like it's our wedding day. Ow! I love it. I appreciate love. I'm not Aphrodite, but I love love. And as best God, you have great taste. I like that. What's this? Oh, it's a little starfish. Very sweet. Is it squishy? Oh, I just wake up like this. Sorry to say. Love, you're gonna hold on to that for me. This is my best toga, but it has no pockets. But it still remains my hot toga. H-O-T-T-O-G-A. So you get it. Hot toga. They don't sell anything else like this on the rack, so good luck, babe. Got a ditty you want to sing, you there? I mean, he makes me mildly annoyed. Why? Yeah, you know. I'm working on my disposition. I got a lot of family trauma. I got a therapist. Her name is Psyche. Eros introduced us. She's very nice. Kind of there's a little love entanglement there, but if I'm being honest, I stopped listening. So, well, I go to talk, not to listen. Ah, see, yeah, I know. I'm a chatterbox. It's a blessing and a curse. I know how to work a room.